Hi Bob, maybe you'd like to run us through the spec on the tile and let us know what this one is.
This is a digitile. It's 300 millimeters high by 400 millimeters wide. This particular tile is 16 millimeter pixel pitch of virtual 8 or effective 8 as some companies call it. Very light, around 3 kilos a tile in this particular format. Very easy to pop into an aluminum frame, which very easily clips together. And if you go onto the displayLED website, you can see videos of how it connects into the frames. Nice, easy power and data connections. Data down there, which is color-coded for input and output. Same with power, input and output. So you can't make a mistake and put the wrong input into the wrong place.
Which we've all done.
Yeah, we've all done that over the years. It's a nice, light system. It's IP65 on the front, IP43 on the back in its current form. And we're looking at doing a lighter weight version for indoor use only, which will be down around 24 to 27 kilos a square meter. So contrasting to a current big gray box screen, which range anywhere from 50 to 100 kilos, depending on the product that's available. We're really proud of this. What we're looking at doing is a wide variety of different pixel pitches, all in the same tile size. So what will be available is a single frame, and the frames will go with any of the tiles. So you buy one set of frames, you can have multiple different resolutions all working in the same one.
Right.
It's something that people have thought about before, but never really delivered.
And what's the closest picture that you can get on this product?
The smallest, the best pixel is going to be a 6mm SMD. As you go up to larger SMDs and into the discrete LEDs, this becomes a front access product as well. So it can be put very close to the wall, and you can service it, take it out from the front, put it in from the front, or if you've got more space behind, you service it traditionally from the back just by lifting off and lifting on.
So you can actually remove one of these modules out the center of the frame without dismantling the whole product?
Never having to take the whole thing apart.
Thank God.
It's a nice, yeah, absolutely. And it also makes it that you can work within 200 millimeters of a wall, which you don't need a lot of ventilation behind it. As long as there's some airflow, it makes it much easier to reduce the landscape that you're actually taking up in a venue, especially in advertising situations or retail situations.
And the weight of this again is?
Just about 3.4 kilos for a single tile of the outdoor. And it's about 10-15% lighter for the indoor.
Right, okay.
It's very, very easy for one person to move around. Digiflex product.
Okay.
It's a 10 millimeter pixel pitch. The first of its kind in a flexible LED screen.
Wow.
We launched it in Plaza about a year ago. Well, 1 year ago at the last Plaza. And we've been refining it generation to generation to make it much more efficient. What's not on this are the cable extensions, which are HDMI connectors. It's not HDMI protocol, but we're using the connectors because of the repeatability of plugging in and unplugging. They're very lightweight. I think it's about 300 grams per tile, and it's 160 millimeters by 320 millimeters. So 16 pixels by 32 pixels, 10 millimeter SMD, so all the colors in a single packet.
Okay. And this fits to a standard frame as well, or you can fit it to any kind of frame that you want?
This frame, it's a magnetic mount, so all you need to do is get a piece of sheet steel, laser cut with a hole for the power and data connectors to come out the back, mount it with the magnets. If you look very closely, I don't know if you can get that, there are also little bushings so you can screw it securely for a permanent installation. But it mounts magnetically. This right here. There you go.
Wow. It's amazing.
And then you just peel it off. If we just look up above, you can see the backing frame with the power distro and data units. Now each of those will do 24 tiles for power and 48 tiles for data. And that way you can distribute multiple tiles and go as big as you want, and they link together using a Cat5 cable. So it gives you a constant build of, you can increase and increase and increase and as big a video picture as you want, you can put up onto the screen. And all of our products are video capable, so they take a DVI signal from a computer or any other source, or any video processor that'll output a DVI, you can put onto our screens.
And what kind of refresh rate is on this product?
Most of our products are 2400 hertz each. Some of our products are even higher refresh rates, so they're all useful for HD.
Okay. And the power supply for this can be completely separate?
You can remotely power supply depending on which product it is. Some of them you can be 10, 15, 20 meters away. On the Digiflex, we're recommending between 5 and 10 meters away, and that's for the power and the data.
So for studio use or where there's sound problems with fans and that kind of stuff,
you can hide the fans behind a soundproof wall or something that's going to mask it from the sound engineering. Make it a lot more user-friendly for the sound engineers out there.